everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, you can click subscribe below and you'll be notified of when I post new videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the most recent items that I picked up at Henri Bendel, and I wanted to show you what they were because they were all on sale and they're so cute. And yeah, if you haven't shopped at that store before, definitely check it out. So if you want to see the items that I picked up that were all on sale at Henri Bendel, just keep on watching. All right, so first things first, if you've never been to Henri Bendel, you need to go. If they don't have one in the city you live in, you need to go online and look at their stuff. You can monogram a ton of things. You can just, I don't know, like everything there is just like so chic and simple. It's not necessarily like the cheapest store, but it's also not the most expensive, but you know what you're getting is quality and it looks really good. So as you may know, I travel a ton, and both for work and pleasure, and for some reason, I have bags in my suitcase or in my purse for that matter, that like all match. And so I've always had my eye on these things I'm about to show you from Henri Bendel. I just wasn't willing to make the splurge, and I figured like, I have all these like hodgepodge of like makeup bags and everything, and they were doing their purpose, but now I want things to look the same. So let me show you what I got, because you're probably like, stop talking. So this guy here is their classic brown and white stripe. If I had to explain the material on it, it is, okay, waxy, but not in like a bad way, like one where like if you spilled something on it, it wouldn't stain, like you would just wipe it right off. So this is one of those hangy thingies, you know, like keep all your toiletries. Yeah, one of these guys. So cute. It has this pocket up here that who knows what I'm gonna store in there, but I'll figure it out. And then you have quite, like you have a lot of space here in this one and on this one. I don't even know, I think it's the same amount. This bottom half might be bigger, but what I do is I just hang this from wherever in the bathroom of the hotel that I'm at, and it's just really easy to get my things. I haven't used this one yet, but I do have a hangy thingy now, and again, I just wanted all of them to match. So this is something that I can't live without when I travel, and I was happy to see that they had it in this brown and white stripe. So again, out of all the things, this is probably like the priciest one that I got, but it's the one I needed the most. So I was willing to splurge just a little bit to get that. And then the 10% off didn't hurt. All right, so this next thing I actually was debating, like, should I get it, should I not? But it was like 60% off plus another 10%. So essentially it didn't cost me that much money. And I feel like it's 4 things in one. So it is this bag here. And what it does is it holds 3 different bags for laundry and lingerie and hosiery and all of that. And so I thought, you know what? Like, I normally use shoe bags and put like my dirty laundry in that, but why not make it look prettier? So I'm gonna unroll these here, and you can see, oh wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Whoa. So this, wow. You guys, look at this. Seriously, this is gigantic. Not what I expected, but I'm really happy about it. And so you put your dirty laundry in this bag, and it still looks chic. Who knew? Okay. So as you can tell, there's 2 other bags. Okay, we gotta see if these are the same size. No, they're a little smaller. Okay, what's in that? Oh, that's just plastic or whatever, cardboard. Okay, so the hosiery one is smaller. So if I were to compare it in size, it's like much smaller. I can't even get this all in the frame. It's much smaller than the laundry one, but I'm okay with that because sometimes I just need the smaller size bag, like if it's a short trip. So I'm actually kind of happy with this. All right, let's see what the lingerie one looks like. Creating a mess. This lingerie one, oh, it's a different color stripe. So it's like, I'll show you. It is a little bit tighter of a stripe. I guess tighter, like they're closer together. But as far as the size of the bag, it is the same as the hosiery one. Okay, yeah, so those are the same size. The laundry one is huge. These 2 are the same. I like that they're different stripes because if you can actually see where it says lingerie, you like know which one you're grabbing. And I think I'm definitely gonna be using these. I might use these for shoe bags. I think that's what I might do. Yeah. I'm gonna use them for whatever you want. Just because they say one thing doesn't mean you need to use them for it. Added bonus, they all came in this bag here. What I like about this one, get that little guy out of there, is that it's clear. And I love it when you have a clear bag and you can see into your makeup. So right now I have a vanity, which I built and it still hasn't fallen, so that's good. But all my makeup is in my drawers in my vanity, and I don't have makeup bags I mean, I have the makeup bags, but I don't use one every day. But when I travel, I'm gonna need one. And so I thought this would be perfect for my makeup, and why would I keep those bags in here anyway? And it has like a cute little like handle on it. It's the perfect size for makeup for when you're just like going on a trip. So I'm very happy about that. Again, the other side has the brown and white stripes to match everything, because that's what I'm all about now. Yeah, like I'm really happy I bought that one. I had no idea this laundry bag was gonna be like that huge. I mean, you could fit like a small person in there. Okay, that sounds bad. Don't, whatever. You know what I mean. It's a big bag. All right, a few more items. This and this. Yes, they're the same thing, because the price of them was just so inexpensive, and I thought, why not? I knew I could like find more uses for it. So I really like this because you can unzip it and you can see the pockets inside here. And you have like, it's like a mesh pocket, but there's two sides. This is jingly, that is making a lot of noise. I like it because it has two sides for storage. You can put makeup, you could put shampoo, conditioner, whatever you want in here. I think like if I need any other space from like my makeup bag, which I shouldn't, but in case I do, like I have bigger bottles or something. I mean, I think if your makeup brushes are short enough, you could totally fit them in here. But I think it's gonna be a really good overall bag. I'm going to use the second one, most likely for like in my purse. Like I think I'm gonna keep odds and ends in there, like lip gloss, Band-Aids, stuff like that. And actually, this could make a really cute clutch, couldn't it? And when you're on the road, you need everything to be multi-purpose. I think this would be a cute clutch. We shall see if it appears in some of my future videos. Okay, got a lot of brown and white going on over here. So I picked up one more thing, but it's really three things. So these all came together as a trio. It was a really good deal. It's 3 different bags, but actually they all have the brown and white, but they're a little bit different. So there's 3 different sizes here. When I line them up, you can see they're like a small, medium, and large, and they all, I think, could have cute little, or different little purposes. This one I think is so cute. It has the girls on there at the Henri Bendel store. Someone has a puppy. They're dressed fabulous. I love it, and I think this could be good. Again, similar to what I was thinking of for the other thing, kind of like, you could do like makeup in here, you could put brushes, you could put anything really at all. And then same thing goes for the medium size one. I like that this one has like a purple color. It's like a, yeah, it is purple. It's like a purple pink color, but it has the brown and white on the other side. So I think it's just super cute, super chic. And then the larger one here, again, it's like flat. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna use this one for yet. It has a lot of space. I almost think, oh, you know what you could use them for? I mean, this would be a little excessive, but I'm thinking this one, I may put all of my cords. Like, I have so many cords for like to charge like my iPhone, my iPad, my earphones, this camera, everything. It's either the small or medium one. I think the cords are gonna go in. I think it'll make total sense. So those are all the items that I picked up from Henri Bendel. I hope you love them as much as I do. Check out their website. They have a great sale going on, but also in general, it's just like a really cute store, and they always have the brown and white items. There's a ton more beyond what I just showed you in this video. These were just the ones that I picked up, and I think I have enough. But take a look, because they're probably gonna have some that fit your lifestyle, and I think you will love them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.